Welcome to Guess It Right. Today's challenge: can you guess the country by its flag? You'll have just 5 seconds and one helpful hint for each question. Think fast, guess right, and see if you can score a perfect 15 out of 15. Ready? Let's get started. Canada, Brazil, Japan, Australia, Egypt, Italy, France, India, Netherlands, Turkey, China, Norway, Switzerland, Germany, Argentina,